Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel and thank you for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe if you're new here. You see my face for the first time. I'm a digital marketing consultant, a certified one that focuses on websites. So if you want to build your website or you want to put your website on online present, kindly book a section with us. Click on the description. The link is in the description box, and let's get started and let's build your website for you. Okay, so without any further ado, today's topic is on GetResponse. Okay, how to use GetResponse. In as much as I can help you with a website, GetResponse has a new baby, I'll call it a baby, on their site, which is they have like website templates, how to get your website very fast using GetResponse. It's called the website builder. Okay, so if this is what you want to know more about GetResponse, then let's dive into today's video. So if you don't know about GetResponse is one of the email marketing service provider that you can use to get emails to your back end office on your website. Okay, so GetResponse is very good. I use GetResponse and I'm enjoying using GetResponse. We have other ones. We have Send Plus, we have Mailchips and lots of them. Okay, but I enjoy GetResponse a lot. So once again, our topic is how to build a website, a free website in 2 minutes. I would say 2 minutes. Okay, oh yeah, I would say 2 minutes. A website in 2 minutes using GetResponse. Okay, so watch this to the end and let me let's work on my computer. Okay, let's go to the laptop. See you. So tech lovers, this is how the GetResponse is. To sign up for your GetResponse, click on my affiliate link in the description box and sign up for your free 30 days with no cost. Okay, then after the 30 days you can upgrade if you want to continue using GetResponse. So today our main purpose for today's tutorial is how you can get your GetResponse very easy. Like you can create your website using GetResponse. Okay, so this is it. You come to the menu and we have a lot of options here, which I would, if you want me to do a full video on how to do GetResponse, how to use GetResponse, you can create a landing page on GetResponse, your form and survey on GetResponse, all these things you can create on GetResponse. You can leave a comment below and I can I will do a full tutorials on GetResponse. So for our purpose for today, our topic, our focus is on the website builder because I'm a I'm a website developer, so I encourage you to have a website no matter how small your business is, okay? And these are some free tools I have done for Canva too, how to create a website using Canva. So I'm going to put the video up here too, so you can also check it out, okay? So as you can see, website builder, you can see that it's clicked there, new. And there's another interesting thing I'm seeing here, chat. You can even add chat to your landing page or your website and anything you see. You can see this just came in now. Like I'm sure you just entered not in few weeks or few months. Okay, so now let's click on website and we go to, I already did a video on this, but I realized something. I didn't do a video on. I did. You get use a ready-made template. I've done a video on this before, and it's just a website template that you just drag, as you see, use a drag and drop editor to customize your favorite design. Okay, so now I want to us to build our website using this our powered builder. Okay, using this our power builder. So we click, you can either use the ready-made template, or you use this, which I feel this is kind of easy and straightforward. Okay, so do you want to see what's inside? Let's click on it. How do you want your website to look like? How do you want how do you want to build your website? So let's click on it. So now there are different types. You answer some questions, and it just gives you exact template you want. All you just need to put is your picture, your about me, your write-ups, and all that. So watch this to the end. If you're watching this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to share this to your loved ones as well. Okay, so now so now let's say I want to, let's put coaching. No, I don't want something on sport. Let's say beauty, for beauty. Yeah, it gives us a lot of things. Let's say we want to do a website on makeup and cosmetics, right? Which one should we choose? We have a lot of variety here. Just for the purpose of this, just for the purpose of this training, we'll just put, let's choose makeup and cosmetics. Okay, for the purpose of this. Okay, then we have to select our we want to select our what kind of website do you want to build. Okay, is it affiliate, is it crowdfunding, event, non-profit, launch page, build business, e-commerce, this personal landing page, and all this. Okay, so now since we want to sell makeup and cosmetics, I think I'll just click on e-commerce. Okay, so here it tells us that e-commerce, a website created to sell products or services. Okay, so I'll click on e-commerce, and I go to the next step. Then what do you, here are the recommended, what do you want to add to it? I want, you can put as many as possible. Okay, I want a contact form. I want a sign up form. I want a testimonial. Then I can show my gallery. And if I have a YouTube video, I can also add it. And price table, no, I don't need a price. Then I can add frequently asked questions. Then you can chat with me if you want to. I can add this. Okay, so I'm trying, you click on this, and I click on next. Okay, so now um bring your website to life with some colors. Okay, do you want it focused, do you want it calm, do you want it original, simplicity? So I want it focused, I want it simply, okay, I can only pick one. Okay, I want it focused. Okay, so here you upload your picture, your logo. I don't have a logo, but I'm going to put my picture for the purpose of these tutorials. Okay, And the good thing, I want clarity. You can choose, you want the original of the picture, the drive, clarity, or mirror mode. Let's choose the mirror mode. Okay, so next, then this is my details. So our website is getting ready. Getting your website ready. Are you excited? So can you see? It gives us, can you see the templates? Oh God. So now you can either choose, you can use this design, you can use this design, you can use this design. I think I'm in love with this design. Okay, let's see full sites. I'm in love with this design. Isn't this interesting? Right? So what is going to happen here is you have your own page, you put your products here, you have the titles, you put your makeup, titles, call to action by, then you can see just description of your product, call to action. Can you see? Isn't this interesting? And about us, you put your picture here, you write about yourself, you put the title, can you see? And you put your different pictures here, add gallery, your job, your pictures is what you sell and all that. You add your gallery to it. Isn't this interesting? Please kindly jump on this, okay? Kindly jump on this. Jump on this. Excuse me. Then your frequently questions and answer, right? Can you see the templates? And boom, your website is ready. Can you see contact us? You had your call to action. You see my details here. I can add a title, contact us or something, satisfaction, everything. And my name, you can see my form. You can see all this. So did you enjoy this video? Did you enjoy this video? Kindly subscribe, share, and give it out to people that want a website. Don't just order it to yourself, okay? And as I said, this is meant to be a logo, okay? But I don't have a logo. I don't have my logo on my website here because this is a new laptop I'm using, okay? So this is this place. You can put a picture if you want, but you can also put your logo because somewhere about us you put your pictures here. So I hope you enjoy this short tutorials on how to get your website using Canva. So are you going to try using Canva? I'm sorry. Are you going to try using GetResponse? I want to know in the comment section. So kindly comment, like, and let's engage in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye. So you can move here. This is save. This is duplicate, and if you don't want the design, you can delete. This is fun.